High above the quiet night, a little star named Twinkle shone softly. Twinkle was smaller than the other stars, but she sparkled with the brightest heart. One evening, as the moon yawned and stretched across the sky, Twinkle whispered, "I want to see the world below." The moon smiled kindly. "Be careful, little one. The world is big, but your light will guide you." Down, down Twinkle floated, past drifting clouds and sleepy owls, until she landed gently in a meadow. The grass was cool, and crickets sang a nighttime tune. "Hello, little star," said a rabbit, twitching his nose. "Why are you here?" "I wanted to see the earth," Twinkle said shyly. The rabbit's eyes twinkled. "Would you like to light my way home?" The forest is dark. Twinkle's glow lit the path, and together they hopped past tall trees until the rabbit found his cozy burrow. "Thank you, little star," he said. "Your light made the dark less scary." Twinkle felt warm inside. She realized that even though she was small, her light could help others. When the night grew late, the moon lifted Twinkle back to the sky. The other stars cheered, "Welcome home!" Twinkle beamed brighter than ever. She had discovered that no matter her size, her light was enough to make the world a little brighter. And so, every night, Twinkle sparkled with joy, guiding dreamers big and small into peaceful sleep.